There's legit fire sirens going off. Fire truck sirens are going off. I don't know what's going on, but I literally hear them, and it is like, it's like, it's not like, it feels like it's literally not, like, it sounds like it's coming from downtown, because I literally live, not even, like, I would say 500 feet from downtown. I'm not even kidding. Legit 500 feet. So I would say that this fire is coming from downtown. It's getting closer. I will update you right in a little bit if there is a fire. I'm trying to hear. The wind's literally blowing in my face right now. Yeah, I think so. I think it is coming from downtown. I'm gonna have to check. Like, literally, my friend's stepdad, just asked me if this place is open. I'm not. I mean, I can leave it in the link, so it kind of will say it's open, but I don't really think it is. It's kind of abandoned, but not really. It's this plywood over here. The alarms aren't going off anymore, so I would say they're done. Never mind, I still hear them. Alright, well, I'm going to go home. Just, if I get an update, I will definitely let you know, because that's been 3 days in a row I've heard them. This has been the closest. This is for sure, this is 100% been the closest it's ever been. This moment. Since the 3 days. Literally 3 days in a row I've heard sirens. This is the closest they've ever been. Like, it literally sounded like it's coming from the Boys and Girls Club. Alright, I'll update you if there is a fire. But at this moment, I don't think there is.